The study of chemistry begins with the basic unit of matter, the atom. The atom is composed of three things: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have a positive charge, neutrons have no charge, and electrons have a negative charge. Remember this: P is for proton and positive, N is for neutrons and no charge. The protons and neutrons are pulled together by strong forces to the center of the atom, which is the nucleus. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. This makes an atom. The atoms group together, forming objects. An element is a pure substance that consists entirely of one type of atom. More than 100 elements are known. Carbon is represented by the letter C, and potassium is represented by the letter K. The number of protons in the nucleus of the element is known as the atomic number. For carbon, the atomic number is 6, meaning each atom of carbon has 6 protons and 6 electrons. Atoms of the same element that differ in the number of neutrons are known as isotopes. The total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom are the mass number. Isotopes are identified by the mass number. The weighted average of masses of elements isotope is the atomic mass. Because they have the same number of electrons, all isotopes of elements have the same chemical properties. Elements combine with other elements in compounds. A chemical compound is a substance formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements. The physical and the chemical properties of the element differ from the compounds. For example, sodium chloride, which is composed of sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine are both elements, and chlorine with 7 electrons needs one more to make itself stable. In doing so, it attracts sodium, and together they make a stable compound, which is known as salt. An atom that loses one electron is known as a positive ion. An atom that gains an electron is known as a negative ion. Positively and negatively charged atoms are ions. When atoms are shared and not transferred, it is called a covalent bond. It means that moving electrons travel about the nuclei of both atoms. The structure that is the result of the atoms joined by covalent bonds is a molecule. The molecule is the smallest unit of most compounds. And there you go, you now know about the nature of matter.